Hi, 1 Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to factory reset your Google Home. So in order to do this, you've got this plugged in. All you need to do is go to the back side of the Google Home, and there's this little button. It doesn't even really look like a button, but it's right here, and you're going to hold that down, okay? So we're going to hold that down and watch what happens up
You're
here
about
on
to
the front.
completely reset Google Home. To cancel, release the button.
And you're just going to keep holding it till all 5 dots or 4 dots turn orange or yellow there. And that indicates that it is being reset. So just keep holding till it tells us that it is resetting. Okay, now we've got a green dot there. And I can let go of the factory button on the back, the factory reset button, and now it is going into normal setup mode. So this would be factory reset. It would have erased all of the information on the Google Home so that you could now give this to somebody, gift it, or if you were, getting rid of it, it wouldn't have your personal information on there anymore. So this device has effectively been reset. We're just going to wait until it goes through the entire procedure, but you could just unplug this now, and next time you plugged it in, it would be ready to set up just like a brand new device. Takes about, I would say, a minute or 2 minutes after it has been reset for it to go all the way back into the original setup mode.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Okay, so you can see there, this Google Home Mini has been factory reset, and that is how you factory reset a Google Home Mini. So thanks for watching, and now you could set this up or give this to somebody. No problem, your information is not on there, and it would be perfectly fine to do so. You can like this video or subscribe to the channel if you want more smart home stuff. We appreciate you watching, and if you want to support us, click on any links below or go to our website, onehoursmarthome.com. Thank you.